Okay, now that we've got the plug whittled out so it'll sort of fit down in that hole, I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to use the chop saw. But when you use a high-speed saw like that, there's a danger of the part that you cut off jumping off the table and falling on the floor and you'll be on your hands and knees looking for it. So I'm going to try to cut down a little bit, rotate, cut down a little bit, rotate, and cut down a little bit till I finally get all the way through. Okay? You still rolling? Or yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, that looks okay. It only has to be about that big.